So you just finished up your lovely roast chicken dinner, but before you throw those bones out, I have an idea. Well, sweater season means soup season, and a lot of soup recipes call for adding some kind of chicken broth. While you can definitely go buy chicken broth at your local supermarket, let me show you how easy it is to make from leftovers at home. So we're going to start off by cutting some onions in half. Don't go crazy peeling them. This is stealing a technique from Vietnamese broth making. Next up, spread them out on a baking sheet along with a whole head of garlic, any leftover meat, and 2 of your favorite bay leaves. Throw it in the oven at about 425. Take your bay leaves out before they start to burn, and take everything else out when the onions start to black. Toss your leftovers into a pot along with everything off the baking sheet. Fill the pot up with water. Bring the pot to a low rolling boil and leave it for about 4 hours. After it cools, you can scoop out all the larger solids and then strain it into your container of choice. And there you go, folks. Super easy, a little time consuming, but now you have homemade chicken stock that you could add to any recipe that you want. You know exactly what's in it, and you know it's going to taste delicious. From here, you can pull it in sealable freezer bags, you could put it in yogurt containers, you could put it in ice cube trays. You could just straight up drink it if you're feeling a little bit under the weather. I think it's keto, so you could stir it in your coffee if you want. Don't actually do that. As always, if you think I made a mistake or if there's a recipe that you want to see me try, please leave a note in the comments below. Otherwise, if you try it on your own, let me know how it turns out. Until next time.